Just wanted to show you my latest purchase from Brighton Tools. Thanks to Andy Nash and all the boys down there. Milwaukee Fuel Brushless FMS 190 Mitre saw. I've got a Festool Capex 120 which is brilliant. Really accurate, really easy to set up and use. Unfortunately it just broke. It's gone off to Festool on a repair. I'll have it back in a couple of days. It's quite big and quite bulky. I was thinking of getting a smaller, lighter chop saw just for trim work, etc. And I've been thinking about this for a while. Turned up yesterday, really pleased. Really light and easy to carry. Good specs on it. We're still cut at 2x8, as well as flooring, architrave, door linings, all that sort of stuff. So it's sort of making me think that I don't need to carry the size of chop saw with the Capex and the stand on the van, which takes up a lot of room. Just thought I'd show you how we did a little bit of a adaptation of this to make it fit on the Milwaukee Packout stuff. Here we go. Okay. So here we have a Milwaukee Packout adapter plate, one piece of ply, 4 nuts and bolts and 4 screws, and this is what we did. Made a little cutout in the ply for the handle on the Packout plate. Set this up on here. Four screws. So the adapter plate is fixed to the ply. I've already drilled 4 holes in the ply and we'll just bolt this to it. They're just M8 bolts, 13mm heads. So last bolt. So now what we have is the Mitre saw on a piece of ply on an adapter plate to sit straight onto the Packout kit, which I'll show you now. Sorry about the dirt on the van. You saw the ply on the adapter plate on the Packout kit, ready to travel around nice and neat in the back of the van. Take the saw out. Take the Packout kit out. One extra Packout to give it that height. That works for me. Obviously once I'm set up, I'll have my drills and grinders out of here. So I won't really need to get in there because I'll have most of my kit out. I've got an old Triton tripod stand which works really well. Go. Couldn't be simpler, couldn't be quicker. I think the next thought process is maybe to pack this ply off the packer with some shims. I've got another rolling Packout. I could put 2 of this size case on it and I won't need that. But do I need to because this is so simple and easy? Anyway, hope you like our little idea. Any comments welcome if you think we can improve it. Maybe we'll get around to doing another little video another day. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like us. Take care. Bye bye.